The record of decision does not respect the Chamorro people, the land, the culture, the traditions, and the welfare of the Chamorro people. Although the military may believe that it is trying to be sensitive to the needs of the people of Guam for the military buildup, they really don't know how to be. They don't understand Guam's history. They don't understand the sacrifices of the Chamorro people during World War II. They don't understand the importance of land, and ancestral land in particular, to Chamorro families. They don't understand why the Chamorro people are so sensitive about the issue of Paga, and about the potential building of firing ranges, about the dredging of over 72 acres of precious coral in Apple Harbor. They're not trying to be mean to us. They just don't get it. And ladies and gentlemen, I have spent the last 3.5 years trying to educate them. The record of decision did not address our concerns. The record of decision is a polished document that skirts the issues and retains the same preferred options that were in the draft environmental impact statement, the same preferred options that were in the final environmental impact statement are the same options put forth in the record of decision. The only way to deal with it now is for a new governor and an active legislature with the support of the courts, the elected mayors, and the real stakeholders of Guam to organize and put into place Roy Respicio's Guam First Commission law and speak with one voice in dealing with the federal government and the Department of Defense. That's what I would like to see happen. Because I don't think the record of decision is the end. It's only the beginning of the peoples of Guam's voice to make sure this military buildup doesn't hurt our island, our people, and most of all, that it respects the Chamorro people, the culture, and the land and the ocean. Thank you.